And Kristen, more people are getting outside as the weather gets nicer. And between that and businesses reopening, well, officials are watching our new coronavirus cases very closely here. Paul Nelson joins us live in the newsroom. Paul, what can we expect to see in the next few weeks?
Well, the hope is that the numbers start to drop, Ryan, but it's hard to predict what'll happen. As you mentioned, Washoe County had 35 new cases of coronavirus on Friday, but today it was down to 5, so the numbers are fluctuating. Officials say to keep the numbers going down, we have to keep following the guidelines. It's been nearly 2 months since the governor's stay-at-home order took effect. Now the economy's starting to reopen, and many are getting outside.
I think people just want to be out and enjoying the weather. I think as long as we're smart about it and just keeping our distance, which is kind of the hard part sometimes because we're social people and want to be around others and be really close.
Officials say now is not the time to let your guard down. If you do go outside, do it responsibly.
If you're going to go hiking, if you want to go out to the beach or to those areas and you see large gatherings, stay away from it. Find an alternative site.
Some non-essential businesses are back open, and their employees are required to wear masks. Everyone else is encouraged to do the same when they go out.
I would say I think about every 6 people out of 10 or so are not wearing masks, whereas about 4% or 40% may actually be doing their part in wearing masks.
Mother's Day was yesterday, and officials will be watching to see if COVID-19 cases go up because of family gatherings. But Mayberry says there's no information to suggest a second wave down the road.
It's really too early to make any indication of the potential or even the idea that there would be a second wave of COVID-19.
Washoe County is ramping up testing at the Reno Sparks Livestock Event Center. That's why the health district is asking anyone with symptoms to get tested.
It's a very quick process and it doesn't cost anything. Strongly encourage people that think they may have COVID to get tested.
Mayberry says people should continue to stay inside, otherwise continue to social distance, wear a mask in public, and avoid large groups. He says if people keep following the rules, it should help avoid a second